How to rearrange my files menu layout on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and then tap on the Samsung folder. Next, tap on My Files. Then tap on the More button. And from the pop-up, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we go down and tap on Edit Menu Layout. In here, to rearrange the layout, simply touch and hold on one of the items and then drag it to the top or to the bottom. And that is how you can rearrange your My Files menu layout. And for down here in storage, because I only have 2 items, so I cannot rearrange them. But if you have more items added to your storage, you'll be able to rearrange them. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to save the changes. Now, if I go back to My Files, you can see here in My Files, recent files has now been moved below categories. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.